All right, we're looking at this F150 right now. You know, it feels pretty good to me, and this is a power balance. If you notice, here's cylinder 1, 4, 2, 5, you know, such and such, 6. All right, so I don't have any misfires. That line is very straight. If there was a misfire, it'd be down here. Let me show you what something would look like. Raise the engine up a little bit, it'll look like that. All right, if it was misfire number 2 or number 4, that line would be like that. Or misfire number 6, it'd be like that. Right now, a line running like that is not indicative of a misfire. So he doesn't have a misfire. I do believe he's going to have a timing chain problem. An exhaust camshaft positive timing over advance. Let's go to read fault codes. Let's go ahead and retrieve them. And we have that code. It doesn't say misfire, it has. Hey guys, today we're working on this F150 behind me. I did a diagnostic on it yesterday. It had a timing chain code on it, but I had to call them back and I said, you know, come on back, let's check it out, because I want to take it on a test drive and see if it makes a difference, see if I can find a misfire. There may be a bad coil pack that's causing this problem. I had to think about it, you know, a whole night, and I called him back. Otherwise, I was going to refund his money because I didn't get to finish the diagnosis. But he's here, so let's get it done. Let's see if we can find another problem. Okay, so let's do it. We're going to go on the highway, take a test drive. All right, let's focus on number 5. Okay, good. All right, let's see what we got. We're driving, we're going about 60 miles an hour. Whenever you can. I know you got a lot of traffic here. Number 5. Number 5. I'm gonna clear them again. We're gonna try that a couple more times, all right? I just cleared it. Whenever you're ready, whenever you can. No rush. You didn't mention that before, did you?
I just noticed it this morning.
Cylinder number 5. I'll show the video to you in a little while. Cylinder number 5 is pretty, I mean, I've seen it more than once. Cylinder number 5. Cylinder number 2. Not as bad as 5 though. You guys checking that out? Running smooth. As long as this line is running smooth, you're not misfiring right now, but only upon when he gives the gas acceleration is when it starts missing. Do it again for me. Take it easy on it. It's kind of erratic on that one. Clear them again. Let's clear it again. Just give me a little bit. Just give me a little bit. Cylinder number 5. When was the last time you got a tune-up? The spark plug's dead on it.
It was actually last year before I set it down. So,
you set it down?
Yeah.
Why'd you shut it down?
I just stopped driving it because they couldn't find that leak, and I didn't want to cause that problem.
Oh, that coolant leak.
Yeah, it was like 130,000 miles.
So they're brand new spark plugs in there. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, hit it for me. Nice, just enough for a dozen for me.
Doing it when it wants to now.
Oh yeah?
And normally was consistent. When you do go to pass somebody, it would do the same thing. I guess that's normally how it works.
Did this happen after the tune-up?
Actually, before the tune-up, that made me go get the tune-up.
Okay, I got you. You know, thing about Fords don't show up like Misfire number 1, Misfire number 6. They don't do that like the other vehicles do it. This one you got to go into power balance. Sometimes it'll show it, but it takes a long time for the computer to say, hey, you know, you got a Misfire number 3. So that's why I'm ready. Let's do it. Moves right on out. See number 5? That's number 5.
Yeah.
I kind of want to change the coil pack. Since that's the most consistent Misfire is number 5.
When they did the tune-up, 5 was the only one that didn't take, so he had to do a different one on 5.
A different spark plug?
He changed the coil pack on 5. He said they may have gave me a bad coil pack.
Oh, okay.
Changed that one out again.
And it didn't do anything?
It wasn't doing it
As much.
until I drove out, and then it started doing it. I took it right back to him, and that's when he found out the 5 was bad. And when he replaced that, he stopped doing it as much until I just started back driving. But I had to put it down because he couldn't find that leak. I didn't want to take a chance on messing anything up when he couldn't find it.
So he's did things that I want to do to it right now. You already did all that. You went to this is your 3rd shop, 2nd shop?
Yeah, well, the 2nd shop did that.
So you're running smooth. Number 5 is the only one that's tripping. It's occasional. It's not all the time.
Yeah.
All right, you step on the acceleration like you're going to pass someone. It goes into limp mode. Foot all the way down on the gas. There's no acceleration. You maintain your speed, but there's no acceleration anymore. And it goes into limp mode, and the AC shuts off. So I don't know what that's all about yet. Let's read codes and see if we got any good stuff. Well, something else besides timing. Misfire number 5. Here we go. We got it that time, didn't we? That was the one I was looking for. I feel it immediately after it starts bucking, huh? Lights still flashing. Coils, we put number 2 coil in number 5 coil position, and number 5 in number 2. Now you see that we have a misfire on number 2 cylinder. So it's a coil issue that we're having. The only time we see this is when you're accelerating. So let me go ahead and clear them out again, and we're going to go back to the house. And I'm going to end up going to the dealership and grab original equipment for this truck. How I'm going to play it. So we know it's not a spark plug, it's a coil pack. And there it is again, big boy right there. You weren't even trying to do it that time, were you?
No, I was just taking up.
Punch it for me. Five ain't even doing nothing.
It even sound different.
5 ain't doing nothing.
Oh,
5 isn't doing anything. This is all number 2. If you want to swoop around to the dealership right now, we can do this right now.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Let's get it done.